You want me to? Nā pua wakate. E mai. Oi ara, oi ara. Oi a te wakate wakane. Aere mai ra, aere mai ra. Aere mai e ine mai. Kia ora ana pō, karakara mai tātou. If you didn't know, I'm a Cook Islander, so I love our Cook Island songs. Not that I don't love any others, but I especially love my own. So, girls, tell me, how long did it take you to put your pieces together?
About a month.
About a month. And so why did you decide to join the group this year?
Well, I wanted to, because I'm going to do Māori and Pacific Development next year, and I wanted to learn more about the Pacific Islands and just get to know more about the cultures.
How awesome. So can you just introduce, we'll quickly go down the line because only a few of you, and you can say your name and which island you hail from.
I'm Felicity Nipia, and I'm from New Zealand.
Oh, or island, iwi, hapu, anything like that.
I'm from Ngāti Tūwhare tō Tiaroa.
Hello, my name's Rosalie Tuala Fuyalo. I'm from Samoa.
Hi, I'm Talita Rika and I'm from Rotorua.
Hello, I'm Kalela Pepper and I'm from Tonga.
Hi, I'm Sydney and I'm from Rarotonga. Waitukiki.
Kia ora, I'm Shamila, I'm from Rarotonga.
Kia ora, I'm Justine and I'm from Rarotonga.
Kia ora, I'm Rangi and I'm from Samoa.
Now, what's it like working with all these girls, you being the only boy and all that?
Boring.
Do these girls try to, in our language we say, akamea mea, like make come to me eyes? Do these girls make come to me eyes to you? Are you saying you don't know what come to me eyes are?
No, I don't know.
How lovely. Don't get any come to me eyes, okay? So, do you want to make any shout outs to people for your group?
Yeah, they'll do it.
Oh, go back over there.
We just want to shout out to our tutors, Whainani and Miss Tingahu, and also our drummers, Ward, Martin, Lawrence and Brandon. Yeah, they've been a big help. So thank you all, and yeah, to the crowd here.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together again for Western Heights High School.